from the spice typical of Minangkabau cuisine, blended using Indonesian spice, united together create taste. Made from quality beef, we present authentic rendang for Indonesia and the world. Hygienic process in every step of the production and processing of rendang with national industry standards. Production process that can be monitored anywhere. Technology in the production and packaging process. Of the content team and media for publication and promotion that have a positive image.
Chef Gordon Ramsay memuji kelezatan rendang asli Minang. Gordon datang langsung ke Sumatera Barat dan mencicipi langsung dari pembuat aslinya. Kedatangan Gordon Ramsay ke Indonesia ini didampingi oleh William Wongso, pakar kuliner Indonesia yang juga dijuluki diplomat rendang. Ramsay datang dalam sebuah program TV internasional yang mengulas tentang masakan asli setiap negara di Kabupaten Tanah Datar, Sumatera Barat. Ramsay mencoba memasak langsung rendang dengan gaya tradisional. Dibutuhkan waktu 8 hingga 10 jam agar daging empuk dan bumbu rendang dapat dinikmati dengan sempurna. Ramsay juga tak melewatkan makan bajamba atau makan bersama ala masyarakat Minang.
Season alone, when you look at Indonesia and you look at the rendang and you look at the caramelization of the beef, and if I was doing that before venturing into Indonesia, I'd be cooking it for 2.5, 3 hours. Out there, they're cooking this beef, for 8 to 10 hours. And rendang there is a staple on a fisherman's trawler or in a local, community, because it doesn't need refrigeration. And then I was slightly concerned about the darkness of the beef and how dry it was on the outside. But then you taste it and it melts in your mouth.